Combination of thin lenses in contact. Consider two thin lenses A and B of focal length f1 and f2 placed in contact with each other. Suppose the focal length of the lens A is f1 and the focal length of the lens B is equal to f2 and they are in contact. We have to find out the effective focal length or the total focal length of this combination. Suppose O is the object which is placed beyond the focus of the first lens A. The first lens A produces the image I1 due to the object O. This first lens A produces the image I1 due to the object at O. The image I1 is real. This image I1 is real, but it serves as a virtual object for the second lens B. The second lens B produces the final image at I. And you should remember that the formation of the image I1 is a presumption. Since the two lenses are thin, all measurements are done from the central point P. Here suppose you take the object distance is U, and for the first lens the image distance is V1, and for the second lens the object distance is V1, and for the second lens the image distance is V, and for the lens A the focal length is f1, and for the lens B the focal length is f2. Applying thin lens formula for the lens A, we get 1 by V1 minus 1 by U will be equal to 1 by f1, and applying thin lens formula for the lens B, we get 1 by V minus 1 by V1 is equal to 1 by f2. So adding equation 1 and 2, we get 1 by V minus 1 by U will be equal to 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2. But 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by f. So 1 by f will be equal to 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2. So for any number of thin lenses, we can write 1 by f will be equal to 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2 plus 1 by f3 depending upon the number of lenses. And in terms of power, we write P equal to P1 plus P2 plus P3 like this, where P is the net power of the lens combination or the total power of the lens combination. And you should remember, combination of lenses helps to obtain diverging or converging lenses of desired magnification. Combination of lenses enhances sharpness of the image. Since the image formed by the first lens becomes the object for the second, that is the second lens, then the total magnification M will be equal to M1 plus M2 plus M3, M1 into M2 plus M into M3 like this, where M1, M2 and M3 are the magnification produced by the respective lenses. Now let us work out a problem. Find the position of the image formed by the lens combination which is given in this figure. This is the first lens, this is the second lens, and this is the third lens. The object is placed at a distance of 30 cm from the first lens, and the focal length of the first lens is plus 10 cm. For the second lens the focal length is minus 10 cm, and for the third lens the focal length is plus 30 cm, and the distance between these two lenses is 5 cm, and the distance between these two lenses is 10 cm. So for the first lens the object distance let us say u1 is equal to minus 30 centimeter, the focal length is plus 10 centimeter, and we have to calculate the image distance. So using thin lens formula, 1 by v1 minus 1 by u1, that is equal to 1 by f1, and putting the value of u1, f1 and v1, we get v1 will be equal to, we have to find out the value of v1, we will get the value of v1 is equal to 15 centimeter. So the image due to the first lens will be formed at 15 centimeter from the first lens and 10 centimeter from the second lens. So you see in this figure, the image distance for the first lens is equal to 15 centimeter. So the image will be formed at 15 centimeter from the first lens, and this lens is second lens is placed at 5 centimeter from the first lens. So the image will be formed at 10 centimeter from the second lens. So for the second lens, the object distance will be equal to 10 centimeter. And the focal length is equal to minus 10 centimeter. So we will calculate the image distance for the second lens. So we have u2 is equal to 10 centimeter, f2 is equal to minus 10 centimeter, and we have to calculate v2, that is image distance for the second lens. So using the lens formula, here the lens formula will be equal to 1 by v2 minus 1 by u2 is equal to 1 by f2, and if you substitute the value of u2 and f2, you will get v2 is equal to infinity. So the image will be formed at infinity from the second lens. So for the third lens, the object will be at infinity. So you see in this figure, for this third lens, the object will be at infinity. It is plus infinity this side, and the focal length of this lens is equal to plus 30 centimeter, and we have to find out the image distance. So for the third lens, u3 is equal to infinity, we have to find out v3, and f3 is given plus 30 centimeter. Using the thin lens formula, 1 by v3 and minus 1 by u3 is equal to 1 by f3, and substituting the value of u3 and f3, you will get v3 will be equal to 30 centimeter. So final image will be formed at 30 centimeter from the third lens.